In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to check in online in Brussels Airlines. It is super easy to do. This will work on both iPhone and Android devices. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device. And then from here, you'll need to go into your App Store or Google Play Store. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to add in Brussels Airlines, like so. Here, the first one should be Brussels Airlines, and you'll just need to download it and open it up like so. From here, it will be ask you to either sign in or sign up for a new account. There's no way to get continuation as a guest, unfortunately. From here, it should look something like this. And here you'll need to go down to My Flights. And then from here, you'll need to add booking or check-in. From here, you'll see the booking reference number, your first name, and your last name. From here, you'll just need to fill in all of these details and click continue. From here, you'll be able to check in when you get to the airport, and you'll also be able to get your boarding pass or any other information there is to know before takeoff. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!